Hi everyone, thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to make a macrame plant hanger. It's super easy and beginner friendly. Here are the materials we need for this project. Feel free to pause the video to read the material list, or you can find them in the description box below. Let's start by taking all the 160 centimeters or 63 inches cords and fold it in half. Put one set of ends through the metal ring and then match them up to the other end. So here we end up having 4 cords down below. Next, take one of the 250 centimeters or 99 inches long cord and then fold it in half, put it through the metal ring and then place it on the right. Make sure it matches up to the other end. And then take the other 250 centimeters or 99 inches long cord. Do the same thing, but this time place it on the left. So we have 2 cords of 160 centimeters long cords in the middle and 2 cords of 250 centimeters long cords on the left and the right side. Now take 1 cord of the 250 centimeters long cords on the left and right side and then pull them down until both ends match up to the 160 centimeters ends. So it turns out like this. Now let's start making spiral knots with the longest cords. We're going to do a spiral knots about 30 times this time, but you can do shorter or longer as you like. After we're done with the spiral knots, we're going to tie a knot to every 2 cords we have here. I leave like maybe 20 centimeters distance from the end of spiral knots to the place I'm going to tie a knot. Here we have 4 sets of cords now. Next, we're going to connect every set of cords like this until it turns out like a net. Place your pot to make sure it fits right. Next, make another 15 times of spiral knots to finish the bottom. The last step, trim the hanging cords. And here we go, a simple macrame plant hanger ready to go.